Ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Spray the roof.
Okay.
Spray the roof.
Okay.
Good job.
It's wet now.
Good job.
It's wet now.
Grab the sponge.
This one?
Grab the sponge.
This one?
Yes.
Dip it?
Yes.
Dip it?
Dip it deep.
Done.
Dip it deep.
Done.
Now scrub.
Like this?
Now scrub.
Like this?
Yes. Big circles.
I like this.
Yes. Big circles.
I like this.
Fun, huh?
Yeah.
Fun, huh?
Yeah.
Don't miss the sides.
Got it.
Don't miss the sides.
Got it.
Great work.
Can I spray now?
Great work.
Can I spray now?
Sure.
Ha ha. Got you.
Sure.
Ha ha. Got you.
Hey. No spraying me.
Sorry, Dad.
Hey. No spraying me.
Sorry, Dad.
You sneaky.
Hee hee.
You sneaky.
Hee hee.
Rinse the roof.
Okay.
Rinse the roof.
Okay.
Nice and slow.
All done.
Nice and slow.
All done.
Let's do the windows.
Gentle.
Let's do the windows.
Gentle.
Very gentle.
I see my face.
Very gentle.
I see my face.
Shiny, right?
Yep.
Shiny, right?
Yep.
Time for the doors.
Soapy again?
Time for the doors.
Soapy again?
Yes.
I'll do this side.
Yes.
I'll do this side.
I'll do that side.
Let's race.
I'll do that side.
Let's race.
You're on.
Go.
You're on.
Go.
Fast scrubbing.
I win.
Fast scrubbing.
I win.
Not fair.
Ha ha.
Not fair.
Ha ha.
Tires now.
You.
Tires now.
You.
I'll do them.
Thanks, Dad.
I'll do them.
Thanks, Dad.
Rinse it all.
Lots of water.
Rinse it all.
Lots of water.
Watch your shoes.
Oops.
Watch your shoes.
Oops.
Dry time.
Here's a towel.
Dry time.
Here's a towel.
Start with the hood.
Dry and shiny.
Start with the hood.
Dry and shiny.
Looks great.
We did it.
Looks great.
We did it.
High five.
Can we do Mom's car?
High five.
Can we do Mom's car?
Next week.
Yay.
Next week.
Yay.
Let's eat.
I'm hungry.
Let's eat.
I'm hungry.